When faced with the challenge of starting a fire in the wilderness, few techniques are as timeless and essential as the hand drill method. Mastering this skill can be the difference between warmth and hypothermia, safety and vulnerability. In this video, we'll break down how you can create fire using nothing but natural resources, your hands, and a bit of know-how. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to use a hand drill to spark life into your survival situation. To succeed with the hand drill, it's crucial to choose the right wood. Look for soft woods like cedar, willow, or cottonwood for your fireboard and spindle. Your fireboard should be dry and flat, and the spindle, a straight stick, should be about as thick as your thumb and pencil length. This combination maximizes friction, creating heat more efficiently. Carve a small depression near one edge of your fireboard. This will anchor your spindle and help channel heat. Beside this depression, create a notch in the shape of a V, extending from the edge of the board to the center of the depression. This is where the charred dust will collect and ignite into an ember. Your ember needs a nurturing home once it's formed. Gather materials that catch fire easily, like dry grass, bark shavings, or fine wood fibers. Make sure your tinder is dry, fluffy, and ready to ignite when the ember is transferred. Position the spindle in the depression of the fireboard and hold it upright. Place your palms at the top of the spindle and push down while rolling your hands back and forth. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm and gradually increase speed. If done correctly, you'll see smoke within seconds, signaling that friction is producing enough heat. As the smoke intensifies and you notice a pile of black dust collecting in the V-notch, continue spinning for a few more seconds to ensure the dust is hot. Carefully lift the fireboard and check for a glowing ember. Once confirmed, transfer the ember to your prepared tinder nest. Gently wrap the tinder nest around the ember, allowing airflow to pass through. Start blowing softly and steadily until the tinder begins to smoke more vigorously. As the glow spreads, increase the intensity of your breath until the tinder ignites into a flame. Now, carefully place this flame onto your fire setup to build your sustainable fire. Starting a fire with a hand drill may be demanding, but it's a skill that can save your life. Remember, choose the right materials, prep your fireboard and spindle, spin with controlled speed, and ensure your tinder is dry and ready. With practice, these steps will empower you to create fire in a survival scenario using the simplest tools available. If you found this survival tip useful, put it to the test during your next outdoor adventure. Practice makes perfect.